Alright, it's K.I.D here, and this video is just going to be about me, reviewing the new platform, the new trading platform, Tradelocker. I'm going to be analyzing and trading, and just literally showing you guys how I trade and how I view the markets on Tradelocker. So let's go ahead and open the application up right now. Obviously, it's a demo account because I'm just, using the platform for the very first time. I do trade on MT4 and MT5, yeah, and it's not even all the brokers that are available on this platform. Mostly, just very few brokers, but I'm sure with time more brokers will be added to the platform. So the broker I'm currently using on this platform is Hero FX. There are others like Vital Markets, and yeah, those are like the only ones I'm really familiar with, Hero FX and Vital Markets. So I actually picked Hero FX. So it's a lot like TradingView actually, no much difference. Just um, some certain features have been added, obviously, and this is not how the chart actually is. I'm actually the one that set it up like this. Obviously, the default candlestick color is green and red, but I like mine black and blue. So yeah, because this is the very first time I'm using this platform, I'm just gonna be using a demo account before I eventually get to real. But we're going to be analyzing and executing trades on this platform. So over here is where you have your, balance, your, profit and loss, whether you're going to be running a loss when you're in a trade or profit. This is where it's starting, this is where it's going to be showing equity, margin available, all that stuff. So it's a lot like trading view. So if you want to look at your instruments, you click on this market panel. So the only instruments I have highlighted here is gold and US 30. I'm actually a gold trader. I only trade gold, but I just have US 30 on there just to look at that once in a while. So this is your bots for those people that use bots to trade. This is order panel for when you want to place like your trades. So that can pop up. So yeah, you have to do is for increasing your lot size, decreasing your lot size, all that stuff. Yeah. The balance I actually put is $200 in this demo account, because I don't really see them putting big figures. So no much difference. It's actually very smooth platform. I think so let's put in like full screen. Sorry about that. Full screen right there, and let's switch to gold. Alright, these ones are there. My screen currently showing the broker I use for this trade locker, which is Hero FX, as you can see right here. So far, everything has been smooth. They don't stress me. Even the verification was pretty fast, and it seemed pretty okay to me. So yeah, let's open Trade Locker, as you can see. But before we open Trade Locker, as you can see, this is where you deposit. So many. If you're using crypto, this is the options you have. Then the withdrawal, internal transfer, then your accounts. If you have a live account, it's gonna show you. I've not created a real account because I'm still Um, I still have another broker I trade with, which is Xness. So I just opened this one just for trade locker. So yeah, let's open trade locker. So right now, there isn't really any setup for me to trade so far on the markets. Markets, I don't give me anything reasonable. With the way I trade, that is, everybody has a different trading style. So yeah, but for me, my own trading style, I've not really seen anything in the markets So currently, but we can go through like previous setups where I can show you like a couple of trades that I took. Let's go over this one where the market broke this level of resistance, which is here. They came back to these previous structure points, which is here, 27.45, and my target for this, trade was this level of resistance over here, which was 27.70. Yeah, the risk reward will depend on your entry level. So yeah, if you pretty much enter at this point, 27.45, um, for example, your risk to reward would be, let's just say 1:3. Yeah, 1:3. That's if your entry point was like 27.45. So if you're risking $1,000 on a trade, you're gonna get over $3,000. If you're risking $10,000, you're going to get over $30,000. So yeah, that was it. Then with my own trading style, I don't really trade every day. Maybe sometimes, depending on the market, I can get like 4 trades in a month, or three, five. It depends because I only trade gold. So yeah, there hasn't really been much, opportunities for me in my own trading style. So yeah, but just gonna keep looking at the markets. So far, nothing else. It's just a patience game right now. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Um, this is a pattern that is, well known by most professional traders. Let's say just continue from there, which is the inverse head and shoulder. Then came back to retest the neckline, and maybe the price. Let's say, let me anticipate this. Um, you know, for market for the price to come to this 29.34.20. You know, that's if the market is gonna obey this, inverse head and shoulder, then price is supposed to come to this 29.34.20. So yeah, that's it currently. I've not been on my screen all day. I've just been busy. So yeah, this is a continuation of the video yesterday, obviously. So yeah, it's a patience game. So it just depends. I'll probably throw more lights on my trading style as we go on. So my trading style is basically, a break of structure. Yeah, break of structure isn't so retest of a break of structure. So the real, it's not just learning strategy. The real trading is in the experience, the patience, and everything, just everything concerning psychology. So far the platform has been pretty amazing. Not you know not too many glitches. They keep on bringing updates, frequently. So they're trying to improve, obviously. But I still trade on MT4, MT5. But this platform it has been proven to be really nice so far. So as time goes on, obviously I'll start trading on the platform using live accounts.